What's up, guys? Good afternoon to all of you, wherever you are in the whole wide world. I hope everyone is doing well. Well, we're back again. Today, we're going to enjoy some OmoTuo with palm nut soup and some deep fried fish inserted into the soup. So, hopefully, when we serve the food and then we start enjoy together, please subscribe and share, and please press that like button, thumbs up, and push the bell so that you can get all my videos every time you want. You'll be notified of all the new videos that I'm making, and so on and so forth. So thank you very much, my dear brothers and sisters, for all your support. And I hope everything goes well, and God bless you all. Okay? Alright, guys, let me show you the finished product. This is my OmoTuo I made myself today. Look at how nice it is. Oh, not a small thing at all. And this is my my soup, or my stew, or whatever you want to call it. Has all the fishes in it, and it's got spinach, bits and pieces here and there, and some amazing taste. Look at the fish. Look at how the fish is drained and sucked all the flavors in the soup. Oh, beautiful. So yeah, very soon we shall meet at the table, hopefully, and then we will take it from there. Okay, people, my brothers, my sisters, this is the final product. This is the finished product in my asanka, where they come eat now, where they can enjoy my skin, they can bring life together. And this is my OmoTuo, all done, ready to go into my stomach. So you're all welcome. Please enjoy. Thank you. Welcome, Akwaba, everybody. Madam for Nina Akwaba wo. Pacho bread nyedi wo. Ewo OmoTuo ebi wo. Na palm nut soup with fish, fresh fish, and deep fried no, and sinked into the soup, so that you get the aroma and you get the bits and pieces all together. So, in the name of God Almighty, we start our eating. Let's try. Ajay! Eda. What? The flavor, not small. I'm telling you, the flavor is super. Okay, that's my first OmoTuo ball. Number one. Ghana food no, Ghana edwani no, and yes small, the papa. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Oh my Lord. Hey, me see you, and yes small. Johnny Wenu, I hot. I enjoy and papa. This one they make me enjoy life. So people they ask me, say, who teach me how to cook Ghanaian food? So my answer is that you see, because I was born in Ghana and raised in Ghana, and all my brothers are Ghanaians, my friends, my best friends, I learned from everybody. All my friends, they teach me how to cook Ghanaian food proper, and all coming from who? Older people. Older people, they know how to cook the old style Ghanaian food, like nkoko from Kumasi, Obuasi, Accra, everywhere. That's why I learned. And they call me what? Brakoju. That's what they call me in Ghana, Brakojo. So yeah. Actually, the soup, it's crazy. Look at the fish. The fish there. So nice. I swear to God, it's so beautiful, Such a tasty meal. Hey. Palm nut soup is very good for you. Especially like in Ghana, inside they put some kontomire, but here we don't have kontomire, the cocoyam leaves, so we use spinach instead. You see, but let me tell you something. This one, oh my Lord, oh my Lord, kill me, man. Ajay. Where fish no? A friend is snapper. Baby snapper. Hey, the papa. Nam nu we juicy. Hey, the papa. Very juicy. Charlie. Don't bring yourself, oh. If you bring yourself, I'll bring myself, oh. Come out there. Hey, if you humbug me, I'll humbug you. If you something me, I'll something you. But if you can't chop with me, you're welcome. You are very welcome. I love Ghana food. My motherland, Ghana. The best country in the whole wide world. The most beautiful people on the face of the planet, Ghanaians, my brothers and my sisters. Like, I love them so much. Because they are very polite people, oh. The most polite people in the whole wide world. And the most down-to-earth people, Ghanaians. You see, even though my skin is white, but the blood inside that's going and flowing through, coming from where? Coconut tree in Ghana. Mile 13. Yes. Ajay. Ha. Ajay de papa. Ajay de papa. Brothers and sisters, please support me. Like and share. Thumbs up for me. Press that subscribe button. Push the bell so that you get notifications when I upload a video. I want to thank you very much, all of you, and may God bless you, all of you, for supporting me and watching my videos. Okay? So thank you very much again. May God bless you. Okay. Bye-bye now.